Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So today again we are here for learning science. In science we learn about different type of things, different type of food, different type of animals and many other things. We learn about the things which we see in the sky during the day and at night. We learn about safety rules which we have to follow at our home, in school and on road. And whenever we are going anywhere, you have to follow these rules. We learn about air, water and food, which is the important thing for living life, right? So these three things we need for living. We learn about many other things like healthy foods, unhealthy food, and we learn about the good habits and bad habits. So every day in science we learn many different things. In lesson number 14 we learn about the things which we see in the sky, which are natural things, and some things we see in the sky during the day and during the night. We learn about weather in lesson number 13, that different type of weather we feel every day, and the weather is changes every day. So let's start our today's lecture. As you know, I am your science teacher Mubassira Miss from Mahdi School. Today we continue our lesson number 14. The name of this lesson is the sun, moon and star. In this lesson we learn about the things which we see in the sky during the day and at night. So we learn about sun, moon and star, and today we continue this lesson with fair book exercise and we complete other question of the exercise, true or false. So in this lesson we learn about sun, moon and star, and we learn about the importance of the sun in living life. Right? So with this, let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful line. The line is, failure is not the opposite of success. It is the part of the success. So what is meaning of that? When you do anything and you fail, when you try to achieve your goal and if you fail, so remember that it is the part of the success. Right? So it is not opposite of the success. It means if you try and if you fail, so you stop yourself there? No, because the failure is the part of the success, and you think in your mind that you are failed, it means you cannot succeed. Right? So that's why the failure is not the opposite of the success, it is the part of the success. So when you fail in anything, so try again and again. If you try again and again, you achieve your goal, right? With this beautiful line, let's start our today's lecture, right? So in this lesson, the lesson is about the things which we see in the sky, right? So what we see in the sky during the day? We see the sun in the sky during the day. And what is the importance of the sun? We learn in this lesson that sun rise from the east and sunset in the west. So sunrise bring us day, when sunset bring us night. So there is no possibilities without sun, the day and night, right? So sun is important part of our life. Why? Because if the sun is not rising, so the day will not start. If the day will not start, the life is stopped, right? So at night we all are sleeping, in day we all are wake up and going on the work, and if the school start, you are going to school, tuitions, anywhere, wherever you are going. Why? Because the sun give us light. In this lesson we learn about sun, that sun is a big yellow ball of fire, and because of that fire we get heat and we get light. Right? So you can imagine that if there is no sun in the sky in the morning, the sun not rising, I am not talking about the sun hiding behind the cloud, I am talking about the sun rising. It means the sun is not rise from the east, so day will not start. If the sun is hiding behind the clouds, so you can feel the light of the sun. But if the sun is not rise, then you not work. Why? Because the day will not start if sun is not rise. So in this lesson we learn about sunrise and sunset. In evening the sunset in west and it bring us night. So day and night both are important for us. So day and night is part of our life, because in morning we start our work, in evening we stop our work, right? So who are going on job, they are going in the morning, and at evening they come back. So here you can see the picture of sun. Sun is a big yellow ball of fire, and sun bring us day, and when the sun set, it bring us night. We learn about the importance of the sun, that sun give us light and heat. Because of light and heat, we all are survive. We need water, and in water cycle, we need sunlight. We need food. In food, growing plants, sunlight needed. Right? So these all things we learn in this lesson. Then we learn about star, that stars are very tiny. In real, the stars are very big. They are bigger than the sun, but because they all are far away from us, that's why they look tiny, right? So you can understand that the sun, moon and star are very big, but the sun is nearer to us, moon is far from sun, right? And the stars are very, very far away from us. That's why the stars are looking small when the sun and moon looking big. So stars looking tiny, and they form patterns in the sky, right? So when you observe the sky very carefully with concentrate, you can see the patterns of the stars in the sky. So stars we only see in the sky at night. We cannot see stars in sky during the day. Why? Because of the sunlight. Because the sun shines very brightly, and because of that, the light of the sun is in the sky, right? So that's why we cannot see the stars during the day in the sky, right? Then we learn about moon, that moon is looking like a big white ball, right? So we also learn about the difference between the sun and moon. So what is the difference between the sun and moon? The sun is a big yellow ball of fire, when the moon is a big white ball. Sun give us heat and light, when the moon is only giving us light, not giving heat, right? So that's why the moon and sun are different from each other. Sun is important for living life, when the moon is not important as sun. Why? Because moon is only giving us light in night, when the sun is giving us heat also and light also. Because of the heat of the sun, we get water and food, right? So that's why the sun is more important than moon. We learn about moon, that moon shape is changes every night, right? We learn about the different shape of the moon: half moon, crescent, full moon, and one night there is no moon in the sky. So from 1 to 30 days, the moon, 1 to 15 days, moon increase from small to big. And when the full moon, after the full moon, the sun shape and size decrease. It becomes small. So first they going small to big, then big to small, and the last day of the month, the moon is not in the sky. It is disappear, right? So that's why there is the shape of the moon, which is changes every night, which is known as the phases of the moon, right? So all these things we learn in this lesson: day and night, sunrise, sunset. Sunrise bring us day, sunset bring us night. So this lesson number 14 is about the sun, moon and star. right? So we learn about sun, we learn about moon, we learn about star, we learn about sunset and sunrise, day and night, right? So all these things we learn in this lesson. This lesson is about the sun, moon and star, the things which we can see in the sky during the day and during the night. So there is a difference between sun, moon and star, and we learn all these things in this lesson. So let's start our today's lecture. First we revise that what we learned in previous lecture. So remember what we learned in previous lecture? We learn about the sun, moon and star, and we also write the exercise. Which exercise it is? It is fill in the blanks, right? So first we quickly revise, fill in the blanks, then we start our today's topic. The today's topic is true or false. So let's revise what we write the answer in fill in the blank. So what we do in this, we have to write the answer in the blank, and we have two options here. One option is right when one is wrong, right? So we have to choose the correct option from the two words and then we write in the blanks. So let's write the first fill in the blanks. So our first fill in the blank is the sun rises in the dash, east or west. So we already write this answer, so you have to give answer very quickly. So the sun rises in the dash. First, what is the meaning of rises? It means sunrise, right? So sunrise bring us day. So here we have two directions, which are the east and west, right? So let's see the picture here. Here you can see the picture. What you see? Here you can see sunrise, right? And you can see here the other word, it is east, right? So in this lesson when we learn about sunrise, that sunrise bring us day. In morning you can see sunrise. And which direction it is? It is west or east, because west and east are opposite from each other, right? So you can understand that when you see in the morning sunrise, so you can notice that it is the east. From sunrise to sunset, the sun is coming from the east and going into the west, right? So what is the right answer here? East, E-A-S-T. We have four directions, main four directions, which are the east, west, south and north. So east and west are opposite from each other. So you can observe the sky when you see sunrise. So from the side from where the sun rises, the sunset side is opposite from the sunrise side, right? So that's why east and west. Here you can see the answer. The sun rises in the east, not in the west, because sunset in the west. Now let's see which is our next FB. We see the stars at the dash, right? So when we learn about day and night, right, we learn that sunrise bring us day, sunset bring us night. We also revise man-made things and natural thing in lesson, right? So we learn that everything which we see in the sky is not natural, right? So here you can see the FB. We see the stars at the dash. So here you can see the picture of stars and you can see the picture of the night also, right? So the stars are very small, right? So that's why here you can see, because the stars are always in the sky, but during the day, because of sunlight, because of bright sunlight, we cannot see the stars. So that's why we need darkness when you see the star. So at night we can see the stars. Why? Because the night there is no sun in the sky and there is no sunlight. That's why we write here the answer? The answer is night. We see the stars at the night. It is the thing that sun, moon, star, everything we see in the sky only, right? But the timing of the things are different. Sun we can see during the day, when the stars we can see in the night only, right? So what we see in the sky at night? So two things we can see. Sun, we can see sun? No. So we can see moon and we can see stars in the sky at night, right? So you can understand that what is the difference between day and night, and what is the difference between the things which we see in the sky. So we write here the answer. We see the stars at the night, right? Now let's see our third FB. The moon is a big dash ball. Now here we have to write the color of the moon. So you can see here two colors in option. One is blue and second is white, right? So when we see the moon in the sky during the night, sometimes you can see moon during the day also, right? And sometimes you can see stars and moon in night. Almost every night you can see moon and star in the sky, right? So here you can see the picture of moon with clouds, right? So now what is the color of moon here? It is a big ball. We all know that sun and moon are big ball, but one is ball of fire. So it means the sun's color is yellow. When the moon color is, you can see here the moon, and what is the color of moon? Is that a blue color? Because we have two options here, blue and white, right? So when you see the sky at night, you can understand that the color of moon is white, right? So I write here the answer. The answer is white, right? Now let's see our fourth FB. Stars are looking dash, tiny or big. So when we learn this FB, I explain you that what is the meaning of tiny. Tiny means small, right? Because when you see the moon and star together in the sky, you can see the moon is a big when the stars are very small. So the meaning of tiny is small, right? So here you can see the picture of moon and star, right? So you can understand that the moon and star here, and what is the difference between the tiny and big? So moon is a big. So you can see here stars and they are tiny, they are small, right? So moon is a big when the stars are small, right? So stars are looking tiny, not big, right? So I circle the star and the answer is tiny, T-I-N-Y, tiny. Stars are looking tiny when the moon and sun are very big. Then our number 5 FB is dash give us light and heat. So here you can see the picture of moon and sun. Sun and moon both give us light, but the heat we get only from the sun. So what is the answer? The answer is sun, S-U-N, sun, and the moon give us light only. Moon not giving us heat. When the sun give us light and heat, both things. So dash give us light. It is sun and moon, but here the FB is dash give us light and heat. So we write here the answer sun, right? So the sun give us light and heat. Then number 14, lesson number 14, and our next exercise is true or false. We revise fill in the blanks which we complete in previous lecture. So today we write the next exercise. Our next exercise is true or false. So in this we have to write the answer. If the sentence is right according to the lesson, right? So we write true. If the sentence is wrong, then we write false. So let's start our first true or false, and let's see what is our first true or false. Number 1, stars looking very big. So when we learn about the things which we see in the sky during the day and during the night, right? So what we learn in this lesson about which things we can see in the sky during the day, it is sun. When you learn about night, right, we learn that sunset bring us night. So when sunset, after you can see the darkness in the sky, right? So you can understand that what we see in the sky during the night, right? So here you can see the picture of two things, right? So which things you can see? You can see the moon and you can see the stars, right? So now stars are looking big. Here we have sentences, right, that stars are looking very big, right? So here you can see moon and you can see stars also. Then I circle the stars, right? So what you see? Which thing is big? The moon is big or stars are big? It is moon, right? Moon is big. When we learn about stars, we learn that stars are very big, bigger than the sun and moon also, but they are far away from us. So here you can say stars looking very big. It means it looking very big? No, stars are looking tiny, right? So what is the answer here? Is that a true? Stars are looking big? It is big, but when we see the stars, they are looking tiny, right? We learn in this lesson because small stars, tiny star making pattern in the sky. And you can see here the moon and star. So which thing is big? The moon is big or stars are big? So we circle here the stars and moon. So what is the answer? The answer is false. Why? Because stars are looking tiny and the moon and sun are very big, right? So we have to find out the right thing, which is wrong and which is right. So if the sentence is right, we write true. If the sentence is wrong, we write false. So here the sentence is wrong. Why? Because the stars are looking tiny, but when you see the star in real, they are very big. But here we have to write the answer and it is false, right? So stars are looking tiny and it is the right, and here the sentence is stars looking very big. So I write here false, right? So you can understand the difference between the things which we see in the sky. Then our next, true or false? Shape of the moon changes every night. So when we learn about moon, we learn that the moon is looking like big white ball. So remember when I explain you about moon, I explain you that the full moon is looking like a big white ball. But when you observe the sky every day, the shape of the moon changes every night. Right? Here you can see the picture of the shape of the moon. Now, we also learn about this, that every night when you observe the sky, you see that the shape of the moon changes every night. And what we called it? We called it phases of the moon. The shape of the moon changes every night, and this shape of the moon known as phases of the moon. We also learn about the different phases of the moon, that half moon, quarter moon, full moon and crescent moon. The shape of the crescent moon is looking like a C, alphabet C, right? So shape of the moon changes every night. Yes, so we learn about this. We learn about phases of the moon also. So what is the answer? The answer is true. Why we write here the true? Because we all know that if the sentence is right, we write here true. And we learn in this lesson that the shape of the moon changes every night. Right? So the shape of the moon from first day of the month start and they increase, then after the 15th day it is decrease, and one day in the month there is no moon in the sky. So here we write the answer, shape of the moon changes every night, and it is true. right? So you can understand that the things which we learn in this lesson. Number 3, stars make patterns in the sky, right? So when we learn about the sky, we observe the sky in morning, during the day also, in night also. So 2 things you can see in the sky which are form patterns in the sky, right? So first thing, which is the cloud. You can see clouds during the day. Sometimes you can see clouds during the night also. But we can see the clouds make patterns in the sky. Sometimes some animals, sometimes it is house. It is just a patterns, right? So here you can see stars make patterns in the sky. So here you can see the picture of star and moon, right? So you can see here the different patterns also, and I circle the different patterns here. These all are patterns, right? So stars make patterns in the sky. Yes, they are making patterns in the sky. You can see the patterns like Great Bear, which is formed with 7 stars. Many other patterns are also in the sky, right? So when you observe sky with concentrate at night, you can see different type of things in the sky. Sometimes you can see Mars also. In early morning you can see the shooting stars also. You can see many different things in the sky. Some stars are very bright when some stars are not bright, right? So all these things you can see in the night, but the thing is that you have to observe the sky with concentrate, right? So here stars are make patterns in the sky. It is true. So I write here the true. Why? Because we all know that stars are making different designs. Patterns means designs in the sky. So you can easily understand this thing, that stars are making patterns in the sky. Number 4, the moon is a ball of fire. Now we learn about 2 things in this lesson which we see in the sky, and they looking like a ball, but there is difference between them. So here you can see first picture of moon. Now you tell me that is that a ball of fire? Because the color of fire is yellow or orange and the color of moon is white. So moon is a big ball, but it is a big ball of fire? It is yellow ball of fire? No, it is just a white ball. And here you can see the second picture, the picture of the sun. It is looking like a big ball of fire, right? So the moon is only white ball, but when you see the sun, it is a big ball of fire. So here the sentence is, the moon is a ball of fire. It is wrong. Why? Because the moon is a big white ball and the sun is a big ball of fire, right? So you can easily understand the things. The moon is a big ball of, and it is white ball. It is not ball of fire, when the sun is a big ball of fire. Then number 5, the sunset bring us day. So in this lesson we learn about day and night also. We learn about sunrise and sunset also, right? So here you can see the picture of sunset. So sunset means sun is disappear. So when the sun is disappear, it bring us night. It bring us darkness, right? So we can see that in night there is no light. So sunset bring us day? No, sunset bring us night. Sunrise bring us day. So I write here the answer. The answer is false. Why? Because sunrise bring us day, when the sunset bring us night, right? So I write here the answer, right? So what we learn today? Today we learn about sun, moon and star. We write true or false. First we revise, fill in the blanks, and then we complete true or false. So I hope you all understand what we learned today and you enjoy this lecture. So take care of yourself and stay healthy.